Dear friends and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important social science chapter, important question answers, that is chapter number 25, India land use and ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವಾದಂತಹ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ಲೈಕನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೂ ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 25 ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 25 ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಈಚ್. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್? ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್? ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, growing two or more crop on the same plot in a year is called intensive farming. What do you mean by subsistence farming? What do you mean by subsistence farming? Right answer, farmers growing crops for their own use is called subsistence farming. What do you mean by sedentary farming? Sedentary farming, farmers settled in a place and growing crops is called sedentary farming. Question number 4, what do you mean by shifting cultivation? Shifting cultivations. Right answer, without settling in a place, farmer moves from one place to another place for cultivation is known as shifting cultivation. What do you mean by commercial farming? What do you mean by commercial farming? Right answer, agriculture practiced for commercial purpose is called commercial farming. Question number 6, what do you mean by mixed farming? What do you mean by mixed farming? Mixed farming is raising of crops and cattle rearing, poultry, beekeeping, pig rearing, sericulture and aquaculture in one holding. What do you mean by plantation farming? What do you mean by plantation farming? It refers to cultivation of single crop over a large area. What do you mean by kharif crops? What do you mean by kharif crops? The crop grown during southwest monsoon season are called kharif crops. What do you mean by rabi crops? What do you mean by rabi crops? The crop grown during northwest monsoon season are called rabi crops. What do you mean by jadde farming? During the period between kharif and rabi crops are cultivated. This is called raddi farming. What is the main crop of rabi crop seasons? What is the main crop of rabi crop seasons? Right is, wheat is the main crop of rabi crop season. Which country has the largest paddy growing area in the world? Which country has the largest paddy growing area in the world? Right answer India. Which is the largest paddy producing state in India? Which is the largest paddy producing state in India? West Bengal. Which crop required stagnation of water till harvest? Right answer paddy. Which state is known as which state is known as granary of wheat in India? Punjab state. Which country is the origin place of sugarcane? Right answer India. Which country is the largest producer of tea in the world? India. What do you mean by floriculture? Floriculture. What do you mean by floriculture? Right answer. Floriculture refers to the productions of flowers for marketing. Floriculture refers to the productions of flowers for marketing. What is horticulture? What is horticulture? The intensive cultivation of fruit, vegetables, flower, medicinal, and aromatic plant is called horticulture. Name the land that is not used for cultivation. Name the land that is not used for cultivation. Right answer fallow land. Fallow land. Next question. What is the total forest area in India? What is the total forest area in India? Right answer 22.8 percentage area of the total area. 28.8 percentage area of the total area. Which is the main kharif crop of India? Which is the main kharif crop of India? Right answer rice. Which country has the largest cotton field in the world? Which country has the largest cotton field in world? Right answer India. Which is the largest producer of tea in the world? Right answer India. What is the golden revolution? What is the golden revolution? Right answer the rapid progress in horticulture. The rapid progress in horticulture is called as golden revolution. Next question. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First question. What is plantation farming? Give example. What is plantation farming? Give examples. Right answer. It refers to the cultivation of single crop on large estate for market. Example tea, coffee and rubber. Next question. Distinguish between Kharif and Rabi crop season. Distinguish between Kharif and Rabi crop season. Kharif season and Rabi season. The crop grown in rainy season. The crop grown in rainy season. Rabi season means the crop grown in winter season. The sowings take place in June or July. The sowing takes place in October or November. Crop harvested in September. Crop harvested in February or March. Paddy, ragi, cotton are main crops. Paddy, ragi, cottons are main crops. Wheat, barley, grams are the main crops. What is agriculture? What is agriculture? Agriculture has been described as the art of cultivating the land. It is tilling the land, protecting the plants, and growing crops for the benefit of people and cattle. Fourth question: what are the conditions required for sugar cultivation? What are the conditions required for sugar cultivation? Right answer: it is annual crop, 21 degree to 26 degree Celsius of temperature, 100 to 150 cms annual rainfall. It needs loamy and black soil. Irrigation also require. Question number 5. What are the beverage crops? What are the beverage crops? Give examples. The crops which are used to produce stimulating drinks are called. The crops which are used to produce stimulating drinks are called beverage crops. For example, tea and coffee. Tea and coffee. Explain the role of horticulture in India. Explain the role of horticulture in India. It makes agriculture more profitable. It makes agriculture more profitable. The efficient use of land, optimum utilization of natural resources, generating skilled employment for the rural mass. It provides nutritional security to earn foreign exchange. To earn foreign exchange. What is meant by land use pattern? What is meant by land use pattern? Utilizing the land for a variety of purposes like cultivations, forestry, and pastures is known as land use. What are the types of agriculture? What are the types of agriculture? Subsistence farming, sedentary farming, shifting cultivation, intensive farming, commercial farming, mixed farming, plantation farming. Mention the classification of land use. Mention the classification of land use. Right answer: net area zone, forest land, land used for non-agriculture purpose, fallow land, grassland, other uncultivated land. Next question: explain the importance of agriculture in India. ಜೂನ್ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 65% of the people depends on agriculture. The economic progress of the country depends on the progress of agriculture. Agriculture in India is the main source of livelihood. It is the main source of food for the people and fodder for domestic animals. Agriculture supports tertiary sectors. It supports industries. It helps to increase in national income. What are the conditions required for paddy cultivations? What are the conditions required for paddy cultivations? It is primarily tropical crop. It requires high temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, heavy rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeter per year. Alluvial and clay soils are best suited for cultivations. Paddy crops need standing water and level land. Irrigation is necessary wherever rainfall is low. Next question. What are the conditions required for wheat cultivations? What are the conditions required for wheat cultivations? It is a crop of temperature regions. It required to moderate temperature of 100 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall of 50 to 70 centimeter. Sand, mixed clay and black soils are best suited for wheat cultivation. What are the conditions required for tea cultivations? What are the conditions required for tea cultivations? It is a perennial crop. It is a tropical and subtropical crop. It requires a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. It requires rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeter in a year. It grows best in the fertile soil rich in humus. It requires to hilly slopes with an altitude of 1200 to 2400 meters above sea level. What are the beverage crops? Give example. What are the beverage crops? Give example. The crops which are used to produce stimulating drinks are called beverage crops. Next question. Coffee and tea are the most important beverage crops of India. What are the factors essential for growing cotton? What are the factors essential for growing cottons? Cotton is a tropical and subtropical crop. Cotton is a tropical and subtropical crops. It requires 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Rainfall of 75 to 150 centimeter in a year. Black cotton soil is the best suitable for cotton cultivation. It is grown as a kharif crop. Now question number 16. How has agriculture helped in the development of secondary and tertiary sectors? ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2019 ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. It supports territory sectors like trade, transport, banking and insurance. It supports industries like cotton, jute, sugar industries. It provides market for both sectors. Prepare a list of flowers growing around you. Prepare a list of flowers growing around you. Last question. Right answer: jasmine, champa, marigold, kanakambara, rose, lily, lotus, orchids. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.